This video is for product demonstration purposes only and is not intended for training or instructional purposes. Situations vary and operators should rely on their own professional knowledge and safety procedures when conducting actual recoveries. Operators should always wear appropriate personal protective equipment and follow all local, state, and federal safety regulations when conducting recoveries. Miller Industries Towing Equipment Inc. is not responsible for any damage resulting from the misuse of equipment or any subsequent personal harm or damage to equipment or property resulting from its misuse.
Hello everybody, Mike Fraser from Miller Industries. Today we're here to introduce you to one of our latest innovations for your heavy-duty rotator, the new Spade attachment, as you can see here. Few advantages to this new attachment is the weight, much lighter than the old one, and much easier to install onto your unit itself. You'll find when you're out in the field, this product makes your job much easier to do. Now let me show you how easy this new Spade attachment is to install on your Miller Industries rotator. And as you can see with this new attachment, you no longer have the need for the long pin to go through the jack leg. That's non-existent with this new product. And as you can see with this latest innovation, the second gen Spade attachment works superior to the first one. Not that the first one didn't do its job, but just the ease of putting this thing on. And as you can see here, when we're done, it's clean. There's no more digging the mud and the muck out of it. Much easier as an operator. Put it back away and go on to your next call. Be sure to subscribe to our news feed for all the latest news and information from Miller Industries.
Miller Industries, the world leader in towing and recovery equipment.